In this video, I want to show you the various ways in which you acquire customers for an agency. For context, my name is David Tainch. I've been working in the agency space since 1999. What we start off with is we have low ticket work. Low ticket work is up to 500. And you generate the leads for these via PPC, and you can, on Upwork, you create offers, and you can work on people per hour. These are typically, you have very limited engagement with these. You basically either talk to them via live chat or email or via the Upwork system, and you close via e-commerce. You need to get e-commerce on your sites. They'll buy it straight off of you like a cart, or you use the Upwork system. Now, when it's coming in, we're going into mid-range, and this is 500 to 5,000 and per month. Okay, so when you actually look at, say, 5,000 a month, don't look at it as 5,000 a month. Look at it, they're going to stay for 18 months. So it's actually a 90 grand deal. Okay. And what we have here is we can get them via PPC. We can get them via relationship marketing. Relationship marketing is a very big remit. That includes trade shows, talks, strategic relationships, stuff like this. Relationship marketing is typically where you get the very big deals. This is how Nike will get their deals, etc. You also have a thing called free audits. Free audits are the system where it says, do you want your website audited to see how effective it is for SEO, etc. That is a white label service. That generates a lead to your customer, to your business. And obviously you have paid advertising on Facebook, etc. We then look at the engagement. This is a very brief outline, but what you have is you have a series of discovery calls. So you have a discovery call with each stakeholder involved in this campaign. We will then have some minor form of solution presentation, just to make sure that you are singing from the same hymn sheet as the client, and you then have the proposal presentation. And finally, you'll then have a work proceed meeting. So this will be like, okay, we're going to go with you, you'll sign contracts, etc., and have the payment schedule in there. But that is for mid-range. Now let's look at high ticket. High ticket is where we are really looking at 5,000 a month up to 100,000, maybe 500,000, even more per month deals. The leads generated for these are via PPC or, again, relationship marketing. Virtually all big agency deals, i.e. the agencies that go and hire in Nike, Adidas, whatever, is done by relationship marketing, which is really done, anything from trade shows, everything. It's massive. It's something that I teach in my bigger course. And this is the engagement flow. What will happen is you will get added to what is called the PSL list, the preferred supply list, that will give you access to their procurement software platform. And within that platform, there will be things called RFPs, which are requests for proposal. And what you will do is you will look at a request for proposal that you can fulfill. You will then have a discovery meeting, maybe. You'll have a series of them, and you will then make a proposal for the RFP. And it's a lot more in depth than this, but I'm trying to just show you the basics. That is how you sign big clients. You will then again go to a work proceed based meeting. If this is of something that interests you, I have another free course you can do, or a bigger course. Just have a look. I'm not sure which platform you're seeing this on, but it should either be in the description or there should be a link somewhere. But it'd be really great to see you on the inside, because I can help you set all of this up for your business. So I hope that's helped, so you can just see the different flows and how you pitch for different type of clients. And as I said, have a look around this video somewhere and you should see links to my other course. Thank you very much.